In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the aspect ratio using Canva, and the best part is that this will take just about 5 minutes. So let's dive right into it. First things first, open your web browser and head over to canva.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Simply click on the login button situated conveniently at the upper right corner of your screen. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one or log in using your Google or Facebook account as options. These options help streamline the process, ensuring you can get to designing in no time. With your credentials verified, you should now find yourself at the Canva homepage. Now cast your eyes over to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 horizontal lines, which is essentially your gateway to the main menu. Click on these lines to reveal the menu and then select Create a Design. This step allows you to open a blank canvas or start from one of Canva's many templates. You'll be presented with a variety of templates to choose from, ranging from social media posts to marketing materials and more. Feel free to pick a template that best suits your project needs or simply start fresh with a blank slate. It's totally up to you. Once inside the editor, you'll notice a menu bar running along the top. To adjust the dimensions of your design, look for the resize icon. This handy little tool gives you the power to change the size of your canvas. Click on it to commence your resizing journey. Next, you'll see an option named Custom Size. You'll want to select this for precise control over your design's dimensions. Here, you can manually enter the desired width and height in pixels. If achieving a specific aspect ratio is critical for your project, simply type in the values that correspond to your needs. You'll also see an option to lock or unlock the aspect ratio. Locking it maintains the ratio while resizing, whereas unlocking allows for freeform adjustments. Now with your new dimensions ready, it's time to decide how you'd like to apply them. Canva provides 2 interesting options. You can either copy and resize, which creates a new design with the specified dimensions, keeping your original design intact, or you can simply resize this design to modify your existing project. This flexibility comes in handy depending on whether you want to preserve the original or start anew. And there you have it. In just a few short steps, you've successfully changed the aspect ratio of your design in Canva. With these newfound skills, you're now equipped to tackle any project that comes your way with confidence and ease. Remember to save your final design and share it with the world when you're done. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.